Welcome to IFCout tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to use IFCout and make the most of it. When you install IFCout ribbon tab appears on the main AutoCAD ribbon. The Units icon allows you to set the units of the current open AutoCAD drawing as well as the intended IFC file units. The Settings icon allows you to specify what components properties to export to the IFC file along with the geometry. You can check all to export all, uncheck all to clear your selection, or manually check the properties you wish to include in the IFCout. Also, you can specify the maximum number of planes per each entity. You can also specify whether to export the model with its original components colors or not. The View icon allows you to control components' visibility in the drawing. You can filter components by their types or line numbers. You can apply visibility options on the filtered components such as isolate, hide, or show. You can also show all. The Export icon loads the Export dialog box, where you can export the current drawing to an IFC file. With this dialog, you can specify the location of the output IFC file. There are three options to select the components that you wish to export. One is to select all, the second is to select specific components in the graphic screen, and the third option is to select only the visible components currently shown on the screen that you previously controlled their visibility using the View icon. The export scale is shown. You can check the option to include AutoCAD primitive entities such as lines, arc, and circles. If your model has very large coordinate system, you can check Move to Origin options. Also, you can specify whether you wish to export as 3D mesh or not. The default IFC format is IFC4, but you can select another format. Click OK to start the export process. Now you can import this output IFC file to any program that supports IFC files. We will use Navisworks to open our IFC file. Notice that the property that we checked earlier are also included with the geometry. The Export All icon allows you to export all drawings in the current project into one IFC file. The drawings in the current project folder appears in the dialog box, where you can specify which drawings you want to export combined into one IFC file. You can also check all. The same options for the export command also are available for the Export All command. The Manual Export icon allows you to manually specify which component types you wish to export to IFC format. After you make your selection, click Process Checked to start the export process.